away, and I actually got two different solar charging battery packs, one for me and one for the kids. So this one here is the other one. This one's 26,800. So this one here is just enormous too, and it's got all the different things for traveling and camping. And you can see there, someone's got a picture of somebody with it on their backpack. So it's kind of cool because it's got this little solar pack, and this one comes with a little battery to charge it, and the little strap for it as well. And there's the instructions. Pretty self-explanatory though. You can see this one here is pretty nicely well built. It's got a little, push the button on it. Actually, no, that's not the button. This is the area that opens up where I can charge it. So let's see what kind of ports we have in here. Oh, it's nice. The cover stays on. So it looks like it's got the micro USB, USB-C, and 2 USB ports, which is really nice. And it's got here, you can see the button on the top, which gives us the, I think this one here, you hold it on, and it's the flashlight. It's hard to tell that it's on, but it is. And so you have a flash, and then I think you just hold it down, and it goes back off. So that's the solar-powered one. It'll be nice, and you can see it's got some lights on there to show me it's charged. Nice battery pack.